Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a directory of linked notes, lessons, and related URLs in Notion. The first thing I would like you to do is to log into your Notion workspace, which of course I have done right here. Then click on the pencil icon, which is right here at the top of your screen, to create a new page. So the title of the page could be something like directory of notes. Then you punch the enter button. Right here on your new page, go ahead and punch the backward slash and space and select data. So this is going to be database inline. After clicking on that, that's it. You need to create a database for your directory. Then the next step is to define your columns. So over here we have titled, could be directory. So you can set your property. Here are examples of properties that you can set to keep or manage your directory of notes. Now, this could be the note title, and punch the enter and head over to tags. Here we have tags. You could make it edit property, type, select, add options. Now your options would be notes. Then you have another option for lesson, and you have another option for article. You have another option for video. So here we have tags. It's going to be named type. That's it. Then also use this plus icon to create a new property. Now you need to add link or URL. So URL property, and this is going to be link, and that's it. Click the plus icon for a new property and multi-select. So this multi-select is going to be tags. So here we have tags. Go ahead and add an option, and your tags could include math. You can do map, you can do history. So enter, and we can do science. So that's enough for our tags. So here we have tags. That wasn't typed in correctly. So tags. And then you can also add a property for notes. So this is going to be text and notes, and you're good to go. Now the title should include the name of your notes, lesson, or resource. The type should include the type of the resource. So go ahead and click on the type column and add the type, either video, note, lesson, or article. Head over to link for you to add direct links to resources such as Google Doc or any website, and can head over to your tags to show the categories or the topics related to the resource. Now this could be math, history, or science. You can just click on any of that, and notes, which could include a brief description of the summary of the resource rather. So start filling in the rows of your database with relevant notes, lessons, and URLs. Include as much details as necessary in the notes section for context. Then you can organize your views. How do you organize your views? You can switch in between views. Click on this plus icon to use either your table view for straightforward list of resources, or the gallery view if you want a more visual representation with images or covers. And you can also choose the board view to organize resources by categories or tags. Now that is it. So when adding or editing a note, you can link to other relevant Notion pages by using the @ that's the mention feature. So these could be in notes. Use @ and go ahead and link it to any other Notion page. Now this creates a quick link to related content. Okay, now we're done with that. You can also use the embed block. So you're typing and not seeing that, but then you can just go ahead and use the embed block to, it could be in an entire different entry altogether, just / and embed. And once you use the embed block, you can go ahead and embed external documents or resources that can be viewed directly in Notion. Now, at the top of your directory, consider adding a summary section to highlight key resources or categories. You can use headings to organize this content. Okay, it's also optional if you want to schedule time to review and update your directory, adding new resources and removing outdated ones. Now, outdated ones. So of course, if you're using or if you're working with others, go ahead and share the page by clicking on the share button at the top right corner of your screen. You can set necessary permissions for viewing or editing. You can create a tag system that allows for easy filtering and navigation within your directory, making it more user-friendly. By following these steps, you can effectively create a directory of linked notes, lessons, and related URLs in Notion, keeping your resources organized and easily accessible. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.